time it's Huang Liman who has posted a 100.73. His raw time is the first paddler to go under 100. His raw time is a 98.73 because he had a late gate touch there, and I wonder whether that will be crucial in the end, Mal, because his touch came very, very late, and I wonder whether that in the end might be what keeps him out of the final.
I think we might still see some faster times, as we have to remember there's 59 paddlers still to finish, so quite a deep field today, and a lot more racing to go.
Three gate touches for Olguin Echeverria, so 6 seconds in penalties as he crosses the finish line and moves